Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English step by step. First, establish a strong foundation by understanding your personal reasons for learning. Set clear, measurable goals, like being able to hold a 5-minute conversation. Start with fundamental grammar and a core vocabulary of about 1,000 common words. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, is far more effective than infrequent long sessions. Next, focus on developing your listening and speaking skills. Immerse yourself in English by listening to podcasts, music, and short videos for at least 1 hour daily. Practice speaking aloud for 15 minutes every day, describing your surroundings or thoughts. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers or language exchange partners to gain real-world experience and build confidence. Now, let's enhance your reading and writing abilities. Dedicate 20 minutes daily to reading simple English texts, such as news articles or blog posts, to expand your vocabulary. Practice writing short paragraphs or journal entries to articulate your thoughts clearly. Incorporate common idioms and phrasal verbs into your writing and speaking to sound more natural and fluent. Finally, immerse yourself fully and maintain consistency. Change your phone and computer settings to English and label objects around your home. Regularly review your progress, perhaps every 7 days, to identify areas for improvement and adjust your learning plan. Remember to celebrate every small achievement, like understanding a new phrase or successfully completing a short conversation, to keep your motivation high.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.